A tropism is a growth movement whose direction is determined by the direction from which the stimulus strikes the plant. There are two types of tropism growth movement in the plants. One is positive tropism, the second is negative tropism. In positive tropism, the plant or part of plant grows in the direction from which the stimulus originates or toward the stimulus, while the negative tropism is the growth of plant or plant part away from the stimulus. The next is plant response to. Which are the factors toward plant tropism? Plants show the tropism behavior or response to these factors. One is light, and this is called phototropism. Stems are positively phototropic, means stems move toward the light, while the roots are negatively phototropic, means the roots move away from the light. The next is gravity, and this tropism is called gravitropism. Stems are negatively gravitropic, while roots are positively gravitropic because stems moves away from the center of the earth, while roots moves toward the center of the earth. The next is the adaptive value of these tropism is clear. No confusion between these. The roots growing down and or away from the light are more likely to find the soil, water, and the mineral they need or they required. While the stems growing up and toward the light will be able to expose their leaves so that the photosynthesis can occur. Next is the mechanism of phototropism. There is a Darwin experiment for this purpose. If they place an opaque cover over the top, over the tip, phototropism failed to occur even though the rest of the copeptile was eliminated from one side. However, when they buried the plant in fine black sand so that only its tip was exposed, there was no interference with the tropism. The buried copeptile bent in the direction of light. From this experiment, it is seemed clear that the stimulus light was detected at one location. The tip, the response bending was carried out at another, the region of elongation. The Danish plant psychologist Jensen showed that the signal was a chemical passing down from the tip of the subtile. He cut off the tip of the subtile and covered the stump with a layer of gelatin, replaced the tip. The graph based on the work of K and V. Themen showed that the effect of oxygen concentration on the root and stem growth, the difference between the behavior of root and the stem lies in the difference in the sensitivity of their cells to oxygens. Oxygen concentration high enough to stimulate the stem growth, inhibit the root growth. Next is the possible mechanism of gravitropism in root. When the root is placed on its side, Statoliths, organelles containing starch or grains settle by the gravity to the bottom of the cell in the root tip. This causes pin protein to redistribute to underside of the cells where they pump oxygen out of the cell. The oxygen then accumulate along the underside of the root. This inhibit the root cell elongation, so the cell at the top surface of the root elongate, causing the root to grow down.